Today in this video, you will learn how to show transform controls in Illustrator. You may think your selection tool is not working due to this issue. So when we draw any kind of shape in Adobe Illustrator, it has transform controls with it. Let me increase the size of these transform controls so you can clearly see these controls. So go to Edit, Preferences and Selection and Anchor Display. Here increase the slider to max. Click OK. So you can see these transform controls are very important. It can be very useful while resizing an object or while rotating it. However, sometimes your transform control disappeared. It mostly happens when we work on a complex project and we accidentally hit a shortcut key. Now we want to bring it back. There is an easy way to do it. Go to View and choose Show Bounding Box. You can see our controls are back. Basically, this is a toggle option. You can show or hide these transform controls by using this option. There is also a shortcut key Shift-Control-B. So you can easily show or hide transform control using this shortcut key. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. So I hope you have learned how to show transform controls in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. See you in the next video.